The last mitzvah of the Torah can be found in this week's Parsha VaYelech. This mitzvah states that each person is to write their own Sefer Torah. Chazal learn it out from the following verse: Ve'ata kitvu lachem et hashira hazot. Now, therefore, write this song for yourselves. V'lamda et bnei Yisrael, and teach it to the children of Israel. Sima befihem, put it in their mouths. Interestingly, the verse doesn't actually state that we are to write a Torah, but to write this shirah, this song. How does to write the song imply to write the entire Torah? Rashi on the verse agrees with this question and accordingly explains that the song that God is referring to is a paragraph of prose that follows ours, meaning next week's Parsha Ha'azinu. Ralbag explains that the sages understand that shirah in our verse must be talking about the whole Torah. Just a few verses later, when Moshe implements God's instructions, the Torah uses two different words to describe what Moshe wrote and taught Israel. Hashirah hazot, this song, and Divrei HaTorah hazot, the words of this Torah. As such, Chazal understand that the terms here of Shirah and Torah must be interchangeable. Since the song of our verse must be referring to the whole Torah, Chazal interpret that to write the song for yourselves must be referring to a command for each person to write their very own Sefer Torah. But why would the Torah be called a shirah, a song, when it clearly isn't? The Torah does contain a few instances of shirah, of song or prose, but that comprises only a very small portion of the entire Torah. Not enough to warrant calling the whole Torah a song. So why does God call the Torah a shirah? When God refers to the Torah as a shirah, it is because God wants us to relate to the Torah more as a shirah, as a song, than just as a book of law and morals. Why would that be? A book, while interesting at times, still remains to be just a book, something that we can close and even ignore. A song is something much more. What are some of the characteristics of a song? A song is something that we sing, something that is always in our mouth and on our lips. In time, a song becomes beloved by the person singing it, so much so that it is sung over and over and over again. And even when the person knows the song by heart, that person still wants to continue singing it. Even just hearing the song makes that person want to join in singing it too. A song becomes something special that goes way beyond the words written. Hence, we can say that God calls the Torah a song to inspire always keeping the Torah in our hearts and on our lips. May we merit fulfilling both these understandings of the verse, writing our own Sefer Torah and always keeping it in our hearts, in our minds, and on our lips. Shabbat Shalom.